Hi, second grade. We are going to go over lesson 11-5, use models to subtract. So as you can see over here on the right, we have our place value table. So we have our hundreds, we have our tens, and we have our ones. And we are going to be subtracting these two numbers together. So I'm going to make that subtraction line. And we are going to be subtracting using our base 10 blocks to be able to find what the numbers we are subtracting. So as you can see this is our first, this is called a minuend. So that is the first number in a subtraction problem is called a minuend. So we have 100, 200, 300. So I'm going to put 300 right here. Then we have 1, 2, we have 2 tens, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So I'm going to put the 4 and the ones. So now we are going to be subtracting the subtrahend. So the second number that you're subtracting, or the number that you're subtracting from, is called the subtrahend. So we are going to figure out what that number is. So we have 100, 200, so we're going to put a 200 or a 2 in the hundreds place. We have 0 tens, so I'm going to put a 0 in the tens place. And then we have 1 1, so I'm going to put a 1 in the ones place. So now our problem is 324 minus 201. So now we are going to be subtracting. So first I want to show you how to use the subtracting with our base 10 blocks. So we are going to be subtracting 4 from 1. So you're going to subtract this one, or you're going to cross these two out. I'm going to do that with red. So we're subtracting this one, and now we have 3 left over. So we're going to have a 3 in the ones place. And then you are going to, as you can see, there's 0 in the tens place, so you're not really subtracting anything right here. So you're just going to carry down that 2. And then you are going to subtract 3 from 2. So you're going to take one of these away, one of these away. And now you're going to take another one away. And now you have 100 left up here. So you're going to put a 1 right there. So now let's check our work with the problem over here. So we have 4 minus 1 equals 3. 2 minus 0 equals 2. 3 minus 2 equals 1. So we were correct over here doing our base 10 blocks with our subtraction and our place value map. And we got the same answer over here. All right, so I want you guys to write this next one down with me. So take a second, pause the video, and write this one down so you can do it with me. And I'm going to make this the subtraction. All right, so we're going to count them out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to be counting out the minuend, what we are subtracting first. So we have 400. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 tens, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have 4 ones. So 474. Now let's see what our subtrahend is, or the second number that we're subtracting. So we have 1, 2, we have 200. 1, 2, 3 tens, and then 1 1. So we have 231. All right, first we're going to subtract over here with our place value chart and our base 10 blocks. So we're going to take 1 away up here. We're going to take 1 away up here. We have 3 left over. So we're going to have 3 ones. Now we're going to take away 1, 1, 2, 2, and then 3, 3. Oh. Now, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tens left over, so we're going to have a 4 in the tens place, and now we're going to subtract the hundreds. I'm going to take away the ones, take away the twos, and now we have 2 hundreds left over, so we have 200 in that place. And now let's go and check our work with our problem over here on the right or the left side. We have 4 minus 1 equals 3, 7 minus 3 equals 4, 4 minus 2 equals 2, and we are correct. We have 243 as our answer. I hope you guys got that correct. If you didn't, that's okay. Just make sure that you are writing this down. We have one more for you. So I want you to pause the video and I want you to do this one all on your own. I want you to figure out what the minuend is, the first number, what the subtrahend is, our second number that we're going to be using in this problem, and then figure out, subtract it, and then go ahead and unpause this video when you are ready to check your work. All right, so I hope that you guys did this problem on your own. We are going to go over it together. So I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600s. I'm going to put a 6 right there. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So our number is 655. And then let's look at our subtrahend. So we have 1, 2 hundreds, 1, 2, 3 tens, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So our numbers are 655 minus 234. So let's go ahead and do that with our base 10 blocks. First, we're going to start in our ones place. We're going to take away 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and then we have 1 left. So our answer is 1 for the ones place. Now we're going to take away our tens. We have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and now we have 1, 2 left over. So we're going to have 2 tens. Now we're going to go to our hundreds place. Subtract 1, 1, 2, 2, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 left over in 100. So we have 4 hundreds blocks left over. So our answer is 421. Let's make sure we are correct. We have 5 minus 4 equals 1, 5 minus 3 equals 2, and 6 minus 2 equals 4. So that answer was correct, 421. I hope that you guys got that correct also. If you didn't, don't worry. Just keep practicing your subtraction with our base 10 blocks, our place value charts for 3-digit numbers. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.